Hey everybody, this is my police radio. Well, really it's firefighter radio. My firefighter radio because that's all I can get on here. This is my XTS2500. Now this is my battery to it. Let me show you first because I bought a new battery.
Run.
See it's blinking? You see it's blinking. So you do it. It has 18 on it, so it doesn't have a lot on it. It don't have a lot on it. But, so I bought a new battery. So we're going to try to see if the new battery works. So let's cut this off. The knob broke a long time ago, so I use this little thing to turn the knob. I bought this from Amazon for $70-some. Hope that this works. Ooh. It's the Impres battery. Ooh, I hope this works. Oh man, I gotta charge it. They didn't charge it. Show better work or I'm gonna send it back. So, oops, the thing came off. So I gotta charge it. Then I will come right back. Cause I thought they would have charged a little bit of this. Okay, so this is the old battery that came with the radio. This is dead. This is no good. It won't charge anymore. So put it back in this. Put it in this box. Right. This is the new battery I showed y'all earlier, but I had to charge it. So we charged it. Right. So we're gonna put it on the radio. Okay, it's on there real good. Then we cut on the radio. So that's what my battery looks like.
XTS2500 entry, 8715 South Barron Cross Street.
So that's what my battery looked like. It has this. So if it looks like something wrong with the back, y'all know how to say something. But it's fully charged. It was all in the red and it turned green on the charger. So, yep. So there's a new battery on the radio. I gotta see if my clip works on this, because there's a clip that came with this radio. It didn't work on the other battery. No knob. I need a new knob. Well, I don't know. I can't find no knob. Leave it like it is. I'm surprised it ain't on going on right now, because this radio goes off a lot. Oh, see, it has a clock too. I set my clock.
Rescue 7 to the sick person, 8530 Burnett Avenue.